Everybody, I'm going to do a review of my Echo chainsaw today. I've had this about a year. Cut probably 2 dozen, maybe 3 dozen trees or so with this. Some of them fairly large. Before that, we kind of used our Husqvarnas. I have a Husqvarna 240 here. It's a smaller one, a 34cc. This one here is 51cc. I also have a Husqvarna 353, which is a 53cc. So, just going to go over some of the pros and cons for them and what I like. Going to get my young mechanic in here to talk about these.
This is actually my saw here. I bought this to replace the old 240. The 240 is a good saw. Never had any issues with it. I had to adjust the carburetor. Just doing all the other maintenance, just cleaning it every day and sharpening the chain. I had to clean the air filter 2 times with it. That's it. Now this one here, I've ran a dozen tanks through it. I've done the muffler mod, and I retuned the carburetor. It's really woke up now. Just show you here some of the other features that it's got. So it's got a toolless air filter cover here. So here we got your spark plug if you want to get at that. We also have the air filter and your carburetor. One of the other features with this saw is it has a summer winter shutter here. You could just remove that if you're using it in the summer. Have this plastic tab so it covers this hole up so you don't get any warm air in from your cylinder. But it's cold out, so we're gonna flip this so it's open and replace the air filter. Now this saw here I've been running 45-to-1 mix, just a little richer on the oil. Once it's summer out, I'll use 50-to-1, a little easier on the saw. And I go do a little demo now. Right now this saw hasn't been started in probably 2 months, so I'm just gonna put the chain brake on, flip the on switch to on, pull the choke all the way out, and I'm gonna pull the cord till it fires. I'm gonna push the cord in and I'm gonna pull it again. See, so it fired, push the choke in. Warm up for a minute here and then we'll get to cutting. There we go. Saw runs good. It always starts consistently. After I retuned the muffler, the carburetor, and modded the muffler, it runs great now.